Okay, let's check this adapter in MacBook. Now, this adapter. This one is USB Type-C to dual HDMI adapter. It supports single 4K 60Hz output or dual 4K 30Hz output. Let's check in MacBook. Now this one is a MacBook adapter and one 4K monitor. This monitor supports 4K 60Hz and one Philips TV. This one supports 4K 30Hz. Okay, let's check. Connect to MacBook. Okay, let's check the single output first. Okay, connect to 4K. This one is HDMI cable connected to this monitor. Okay, let's connect. So now we have an external monitor. This is the built-in display and external display, external monitor, extended display. Let's check the resolution. It's 4K 60Hz. Input HDMI. Resolution 4K 60Hz. Let's zoom in. Yeah. In default, if it at the first time, if you found it is a middle one, you can set the extended mode here. System reference, display, and display setting. Select the external monitor and use as extended display. Change the resolution here. And the rotation, yeah. Okay, done. Or you can change the layout. Yeah. Then if you move your mouse to the left, it will go to left. Mouse is in left. Okay, we can drag this. Drag to left. Yes. This is one external monitor. Single 4K 60Hz output. Drag it back. If we connect another monitor, so dual output. This is HDMI from this 4K TV. So two outputs. So we have totally three monitors. Extended display. So for MacBook, even you set it to the extended display, this two is the same. This two is the same. Totally, it's just like a middle one. This two is a middle one. Yeah. These two extended display will show exactly the same image. As you can see, they are same images. It shows same images, but different with the built-in display. Yeah. Let's check the resolution. "4K 30Hz." And this one, 4K 30 Hz. Yeah, if you use as a dual output, there is 4K 30 Hz. Okay, that's all.